Yo, what is going on, guys? So it is a new day. I'm here at the factory on my own. I've just gotten here. I'm about to call up a few shops to see if I can get replacement studs, to see if there's a standard size. So I can just go and pick those up, pull these out, put them in. Otherwise I'm gonna have to pull this out, take it there and, you know, match a size and bring those back, which is no problem. Kind of figured that's the way it should go anyways, but maybe I'll get lucky and be able to just pick them up. All right, I just got back. It looks like I've got the right studs. The thread seems all good, but I thought this was a good opportunity to let Andy not escape from his mistake. Andy, what'd you do?
I believe I forgot to tighten the clamp on the lower radiator hose. I believe.
So,
Skyline.
hey! You all saw that. This is an abusive relationship.
Hey, I'm not mangling anything longer than it already is.
You might have straightened it, actually.
That'd be $5.
Oh, are you actually dripping from there?
It should be at the moment.
It looks pretty new.
Oh, it's always dripping oil. It dripped last night.
You dripped oil from there? Oh, you might have.
No, I was parked way back. That's just new ones.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, that's in the right spot for cool with right now.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to get started pulling these studs out. I've never been so fucking scared in my life. But yeah, that's stud number one. And oh man, this is so sad. I'm so scared. So many. Don't buy a Skyline off a Lebanese man. Mistakes were made. But yeah, we've got 1, 2. Is there a stud in there? No. Wait. How many pull out? 1, 2, 3, 4 to pull out. Yeah. And more to replace. Fuck.
You got a little screw and a big screw. Is that the whole thing?
Yeah.
Only 5 more to go.
Yeah, that's just this.
At least it worked. It worked.
Shit.
I made a butthole. What's going on, folks? It's a new day. I stopped with the Skyline engine yesterday. I hit walls. Fucking studs not coming out, but they'll all be coming out today. Have new ones in. I'll be doing that. And Adam's gonna be working on his S15 and his Corolla. He's got plenty of shit to do, so there's plenty of shit to be recorded. You're doing seat belts, cleaning this thing, fucking heaps of shit, yeah?
Yeah, getting it ready for the roadworthy to get it on club plates, basically. And yeah, this is just some general minor maintenance, nothing special.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Just stuff that needs to get done.
Camera makes your suspension look real fancy.
That's good, because I spent money on it.
What a motherfucker. That is so satisfying. I'm so fucking happy. Holy shit. Yeah. After this motherfucker. So hopefully that one comes out the same, and then all I've got to do is replace studs and figure out what to do with that one. But yeah, I may just do 11 out of 12 studs, maybe. Alright, all the studs are out now. I'm about to give that side of the engine a little bit of a clean up so I can just slap everything on once the studs are in. But yeah, it's looking actually pretty decent now. Just stud to go in there, there, there and there, and that's it. Then we should be all good. But yeah, it needs a real good wipe down. It's still greasy and fucking oily everywhere. But yeah, that's next. Alright, it's finally time to put studs in. So we're gonna use the Loctite we've got here, just so, or the thread locker, so it doesn't, nothing comes out. We don't want that. I'd like my exhaust to stay on the car. And yeah, we'll get into that right now. There we go. Spread it out. Okay. And use You ready to go in? I might need 2 nuts on this, but that seems to be going in for the... Yeah, that's perfect, sick. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 nuts for this to tighten it up, but 1 got it in. Against each other, and then turn. I wonder how tight you meant to do these, because none of those were like right all the way in.
Yeah, I can tell you probably have to do that.
Alright, that's all the studs in. I think I'm gonna give it some time, let it, you know, lock up, do its thing, and yeah, I'll let it do that before I go and put all this back on. All of that. Yeah. Maybe I'll clean the other side. What are you doing?
Good question. I don't know. I forget.
Alright, neither of us know what we're doing, so we'll figure that out. Finding lost pieces of Sylvia.
Yeah.
Camera's probably not finding that.
No, it's not. It's like, yeah, sitting on top of the alternator. You'd hardly be able to see it. It's like tiny as. Yeah.
Alright, since I don't know the terms, Adam's VCT thing sitting in Metho.
Yep.
Cleaning up. You explain. I'm gonna
Okay.
munt this shit.
Okay, so basically why I'm doing this is every time I cold start the car, turn it on, first time you accelerate, you get the VCT rattle. That's the only time. I never checked it, so something worth having a look at.
For sure.
Yeah, it connects in the front here, just near the first injector. You pull a silver clip that goes around. I use a flathead and flinged it down into the engine bay, which wasn't smart.
Because now it's down there.
And now it's stuck on the alternator. And then you use I think it was a 28 or 27. And yeah, twisty that way. And it comes out. I got it sitting over there.
This is your business, isn't it?
Yep.
So that is a big motherfucker.
So yeah, that's just...
And that's that clip on...
So yeah, this is obviously soaked in oil, which
Yep.
I think it's meant to be. But I'm not sure if you can see in there. There's actually oil in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna clean that out. And there's oil in the clip on the loom side, so I'll clean that out as well.
Yeah,
And
how
put
the
it-
fuck?
Yeah, don't know. But yeah, we'll give that a go. Hopefully that solves the problem.
Yeah.
Otherwise it'll be a new solenoid.
It's weird how you end up with oil there.
Yeah.
Actually, I think this is looking into the sun. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's... And then I'll level out the back because, the passenger side's so much higher than the other side. Change oil like we did on Andy's 180, and yeah, away we go.
Sick. Alright, and I guess I'm helping you out because I'm just going to let that lock up before I tighten shit.
Yeah, cool as.
Cool, let's get it. Alright, I've gotten off the rest of the gasket for my oil filter, I got forward, for my oil filter mounts, majigget, I think it's called. That sounds like the specific term, right? Mount majigget.
That sounds...
So that goes right there. Yeah, thought so. And yeah, there's my gasket for it. So get that on, and I think my my studs should be good. I can start putting my exhaust manifold back on.
Action.
Cool. Alright. Finally get this bitch back. Oh, that's the wrong way to do it. Don't do that. So new gasket going on. Hopefully we don't have to worry about this for another fucking ever.
Another 10,000 years.
Yeah, just like the last one. Alright, so your solenoid.
Yeah, this is the VCT solenoid. I'm not sure if I didn't show you this before, but you can see how clean it is.
Yep.
You know, this has been in the car since probably the car was bought. But yeah, I was getting that VCT rattle I said before, and that's all the crap that came off it.
Oh shit.
So yeah, I'm not sure if this will fix the issue. Some people, you know, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But if you've got the problem, it's definitely worth soaking this. That's just, yeah, in metho. I gave it a shake.
It didn't even take long.
No, it didn't take long, and yeah, that's all the stuff that came off it.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely worth giving it a go. And yeah, could save yourself a few $100 considering VCT is a common problem with these. And the gear's $500, the cam's a few hundred, and this will probably be another few hundred. So yeah, bottle of metho is like $20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Possible very cheap fix.
Yeah, and I mean, if you're gonna throw it out anyway, you might as well give it a go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully it makes a big difference.
But yeah,
Or even a slight difference would be good.
whack that back in. Hopefully, it makes a difference. Yeah, no harm in trying. That's for sure.
Yeah. Well, at least all that's out.
Yeah, that's
That's some gross shit.
yeah.
It actually looks like one of them, you know, dip things. You fucking dip it in there and you get like that paint job.
Oh yeah. I know what you mean. Or like those things you did in science class, how you'd like, you know, how you'd like lick your finger and like rub it on there, and you come back in a week and it's got all this stuff on there. Yeah. And it'd like tell you who's the most disgusting kid in the class. Like that's what this is.
Oh shit.
You know.
Yeah, we're not doing this. My skyline will be more disgusting. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my studs overnight. First time I'm doing this kind of thing. I just want to let the Loctite do its thing, seal up, so I don't run into any problems. I shouldn't run into problems anyway. It's just, yeah, first time. Just want to make sure, and I don't have the money to replace this shit. Yeah, so I'm gonna start on this side. Probably gonna pull off, I'll get all this shit off. Start putting together the manifold on this side, but I'm gonna give it a clean first because that's fucked. It's genuinely disgusting. Good again, that one.